things in your home truly spark joy? Or are they just filling space? Is your space designed with intention or just habit? How much of your home actually makes you happy? These questions sound familiar, don't they? If you've asked yourself anything like this, you're not alone. Welcome to Architectural Harvest, where we explore how our spaces shape the way we live and feel. Today, we're diving into the KonMari method, a unique approach to tidying up that's about more than just cleaning. It's about choosing joy. What is the KonMari method? The KonMari method was developed by Kondo, a Japanese organizing expert. Instead of asking, "What should I throw away?" it asks, "Does this spark joy?" If it does, keep it. If it doesn't, thank it for its service and let it go. Tidy by category, not by location. Most people tidy room by room, but KonMari works by category. The order is important. Clothes, books, papers, kimono, miscellaneous items, sentimental items. This sequence trains your decision-making, starting from easier choices and moving to more emotional ones. Less clutter, more clarity. Decluttering is not just physical, it's emotional and mental too. A tidy space can create more focus, calm, and creativity. When your home is clear, your mind feels clear too. The connection to design and architecture. The KonMari method aligns with minimalist design thinking. It's not about having less, it's about having only what matters. Like in traditional Japanese homes, space is respected. Emptiness has value. It gives your home breathing room. Joyful spaces are intentional spaces. Think of a kitchen with only the tools you use, a bedroom with only items that bring peace, a workspace that helps your mind stay focused. These are not just organized places, they are intentional spaces. Tidy once, not every day. Mariekondo says you only need to tidy once properly. After that, you'll know what belongs in your life and what doesn't. It's not a habit, it's a reset. The KonMari method isn't about perfection. It's about choosing joy, one object at a time. So, next time you hold something, ask, "Does this spark joy?" If yes, it stays. If not, it goes. If this video sparked something in you, consider liking and subscribing. Let's continue building spaces that support the lives we truly want. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.